Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tamara and I am so happy that you are joining me today. Now today's video is going to be courtesy of, well, catered to my friend Amanda. I'm going to be linking her Instagram somewhere here, and I am going to be, linking her YouTube channel below. Now guys, she is new and she wants to know the how to, the what not to, the get around YouTube, and so I'm going to be sharing that for her today. And I know a lot of you are going to be looking at my followers and be like, how is it how you are going to talk about YouTube and what to do, and you don't have this and you don't have that? But guess what? There is always somebody that is starting lower than you are. Now, even if you have one subscriber, you are way ahead of the game. If you have one subscriber, you're ahead of people who have 0 subscribers. If you have a YouTube channel any at all and you have 0 subscribers, you are way ahead of millions of people who doesn't even have a YouTube channel and wants to start. So guys, you are always a step ahead of somebody else. So share what you know to help the people who are coming along. All right, so remember to like, share and subscribe if this is the type of content that you like. Help the YouTube algorithm to work out and to get my videos to other people like you who would love to share these contents. Now guys, let's jump into this video. Yeah, make we jump in it. Yeah. The first thing you need to know is you need to have topics ready. Like, even before you start the channel, topics need to be lined up, ready. You need to have topics like, you need to have topics like Sana, that's way. You need to have topics on top of topics to pick, choose and refuse from. You need to have topics that you have there put down that you probably end up nobody use because you have to use something else. But you need to have topics galore. You need to always be prepared. You need to even have pre-recorded videos because there are times you're not going to feel up to it. And yeah, it's still hitting some of us who have been here for a little minute. So, number 2, be very careful of copyright strikes. Very careful. Like the songs them where you have a play, be very sure that you're not worry yourself about being monetized, right? But if you're thinking about being monetized in the future, sweetie, turn off the song them, turn off the people them song. Yeah, right? Find music, find songs that are royalty free. You don't want to have anybody's song, even if I walk your walk and a vlog your vlog, and music are playing at the background, music are playing, like sound turn up and then something there, you will want to delete that part of the video. It sounds crazy. Yet sweetie, I don't know what you all have done to YouTube. Man, what I wanna do to YouTube, but you're upset. Do not have a people and music a play in your video. No, don't use the music for back up your video or anything. Find free music and put in your video if you well want music. Alright, my friend? Alright, number 3, you want to be very careful about what you say on here. You want to be absolutely careful because, sweetheart, things you say, like, well, not for uno, well, I'll swear, the little bad would drop in your bad mouth auntie or uncle or mother or father or somebody pass and chip some bad word and them something there, or you keep on bashing other people, or you're just saying things that YouTube don't want you to say. I suggest you read up yeah, we don't like to read terms and conditions, but if you are really serious about YouTube, you want to go read them terms and conditions, the baby. You really want to read them because there's a lot of things you cannot do on here and should not do. YouTube does not like it, and if you want to be a YouTube partner, I suggest that you don't do it. Yeah, go read up the terms and conditions them in long, but it makes sense. Yeah? Number 4, make sure you state your video is for children or not. You want to state whether it's a children's video or not. You don't want to forget to state whether it's for children or not, because honey, you can be fined if you end up don't state that it's not for children and things upon it when of children, and then come on it and watch it, and then parents file against YouTube, and then YouTube are gonna find you, and honey, you don't have the money. So take the time to click that little button to say for children or not for children. Number 5, you want to create a business or a promo account. You know, a lot of the times when we're starting, we don't think about the business side of things. Some of us already might use let's say an email that we already have, that we're getting tons of email to already, an email address that we already have, and that's not ideal. You want to create a separate email address for this, so that the things that are going to this email are focused around YouTube, or people who want to reach out to you, people who want to talk to you about, you know, promoting on YouTube and stuff like that. You want to have these things set in one place. You don't want it crowded, you don't want it cloudy, you want it airy. Yes, airy. You want it airy. You want to ensure that it not clog up. All right. Yeah. And next thing you need to know, guys, is that you don't need to be afraid of your camera. Don't be afraid or ashamed to talk to your camera like you talk to a person. See how me I talk to you right now? You see how it look like you me I talk to directly? Don't be afraid to be passionate with the camera. Like say you are talk to somebody next to you. Right? You want me to understand you. You want me to feel you. You want me to know that you are connecting with me. We are connecting. I want to feel as if you are personally talking to me. Don't be afraid to get intimate with your camera. Be yourself. Talk to your camera as if you are talking to somebody. Show your personality. That is how people get to love you, get to understand you, and get to want to hear more from you, because they now realize that you are a real person and you know how to express yourself. You're not a robot. You are you. Yeah? All right. Last thing that I'm going to say to you, the final thing is, you don't need no whole heap of expensive setup to start. Yeah, what is important is that you start. You can start with your phone, right? You can start with you can do natural light videos. You can get little clip-on phone light to add extra light if you don't have a ring light. You can get a little inexpensive lapel mic until you can get a shotgun mic, whatever it is. If you have the money to splurge, then all right, friend, yeah, go ahead. Yeah, if you have the whole heap of money to spend, that is fine with me. You can go ahead and look up all the nice things and buy them. But if you just want to start right now, or you want to see if YouTube is for you, you want to feel yourself into the game before you do all of them whole heap of something there, get your phone, right? Go out in the middle of the daylight out the door, or go to a window, go somewhere where you can get your video done peacefully, nicely, with one heap of nice little lighting where people can see what you're talking about, if it's products and them something there, or they can see your face properly if you always want to be on screen like me, and blah blah blah. Of course, there are whole heap more tips, but let me tell you something. Use these few little ones that I've given you right here, right now, and you will be on your way to becoming that YouTuber you wish to be. Now, thank you guys again for coming to this channel. It is so wonderful to have you here. You could have been anywhere, honey. You could have gone anywhere, but you come right here, so on my channel, come here with me, I have to say, with my loud self. Yeah, you came right here to hear me, and I am super happy that you chose my channel. Now, sweetheart, go ahead, do you. Remember, like, share, and subscribe to this video. Hit that subscribe button so you can see more videos from me, and you can hear more about what to do to grow your business, to grow your social media and stuff like that. Now, remember that I've started a new channel. It is all about more of this personality right here. It's all about more of the craziness. It's all about more of personality and lifestyle and me on a whole. That has nothing to do about, you know, branding and all of them something there. So I will be linking it right down below. I'll be slashing it somewhere on the screen here, somewhere. It will be here, honey. subscribe to that as well. I love you. I thank you for taking the time out again, and I will see you in my next video. All right, bye bye now.